YouTube family, was good, was good. Yo, have a seat, kick it with me. So I'm going through the web, and then boom, I have a come to Jesus moment. Go to Google, and then in there, I put in the search block, what day of the year do most people experience simultaneous sunlight, right? Then it spits out this answer to me. At 11:15 Universal Time at 7:15 a.m. Eastern Time on July 8th each year, about 96% of the Earth's population is bathed in at least a bit of sunlight. An additional 3% is in astronomical twilight, which occurs when the sun is below the horizon, but its glow still illuminates a patch of the sky. Cool. So I made a video earlier of the majority of our population seeing sunlight. Now, I made the mistake of saying that a majority of the earth is bathed in sunlight, which it still is, 70%. But I didn't clarify because I said roughly 99% of the earth when I really meant the population. So for that, I'm going to say mea culpa. I apologize for that. But we live, we learn, we move on. I meant the population. So this is saying that the population. Why am I talking about this? Because I was thinking more than likely it's probably a one-time thing, maybe a two-time thing, possibly a three-time thing. No, I was mistaken. It's every year on July 8th. 96% of the planet's population is bathed in at least a bit of sunlight. That means if not direct sunlight, astronomical twilight or just twilight, right? Why is that important? Check this out. So you know I've already made a video on these things already. This is the analemma, right? And then if you look at the very tip top, it says 621 or 21:6. But we're going to read it from right to left, 621, and we're going to continue reading it from right to left. And we're going to go counterclockwise, right? From 425 at the bottom part of the top lobe, 425, April 25th, to May 8th. God damn it, get out of here. To May 8th, to May 19th, to May 30th, to June 9th, and at the tip top you have summer solstice. This is going to be the closest point that the sun is going to be making its circuit around the North Pole, right? And then we continue on the left side of the top lobe, 7/4, July 4th, 7/14, and in between that time we're going to have the 8th of July, right? Or the time where the sun is going to have the most, or the people are going to be seeing the sun. The most amount of people are going to be seeing the sun on the earth. Cool. July 8th. Bet. Then we have July 30th. Then August 12th. Then August 23rd. And then it continues on the bottom right. 9/9. Right? You have 9/9. Then you have 9/18. And then you have 9/27. But before we go to 9/27, between 9/18 and 9/27, of course, we know we're going to see what? We're going to be experiencing... let's see it. Let's get it right there. Boom. We're going to experience the fall equinox, right? And why is that important? Excuse me, not there. The fall equinox right here. Excuse me. Fall equinox. Why is that important? Because on this side we have the spring equinox. And do you see how equidistant it is from there to there? We already have 9/27 when this person took the picture of the sun. But we see that right there from 3/21 and 9/21, it's a 6-month difference where they sit in the sky, right? Where the sun sits in the sky at that same exact time, but at a different date in the year. Look at that, 9/21, 3/21, and they're equidistant. But then it continues, right? 9/27, 10/9. 10/23, 11/2, 11/11, 11/22. Thanksgiving's coming around, right? Boom. And then the year goes on. The year goes on, and then 12/2, 12/12, 12/21, we have winter solstice, right? And then this is the point where the sun goes at the outermost part of the of its circuit, right? It hits what we would effectively call the South Pole, which we all know it's not a pole. It's just as far as the sun is going to reach. Before 1/4, it goes to what I guess the Russians would call their little Christmas. Or a lot of Catholics, at and around that time, between 1/4 and 1/6, the Catholics call it Little Christmas. I just find it so funny that these days, those days happen at those times, or those holidays happen at those dates. It's just crazy. Anyway, It continues 113, 124, 24, so on and so forth. But if you look, if anybody's ever run track before, we know that when you're on the inside of the track, right? When you're on the inside of the track, you're going to experience, here it is, you're going to experience a small circle. I mean, you're going to be fighting the turns more, but when you're on the outside of the track, right? This is what you're going to experience. This right here, the big butt at the bottom, when you're on the outside of the track, right? The sun makes that circuit. The sun follows that loop. Look at that. Isn't it beautiful? Isn't it beautiful how this place is created? And then if you take a step back and then you just blink your eyes a lot and let your eyes get lazy a little bit, just blink your eyes and look at this thing, you're looking at a number 8. So 8 July, and you're looking at a big number 8 for the year. You're looking at 2 lobes, a small one at the top, a small one at the bottom, right? The Analema. For 365 days, this is exactly what the Analema looks like. Or you could say 360 days. You're going to get the same thing. You're going to wind up with the same effect. It doesn't matter. I just think it's funny that it's like this because I don't think it's a coincidence. I think because it's like this, it lets us know, it's just another reminder that this world is intelligently designed, right? God has got a wonderful paintbrush, and this is the gift that he gives us. Cameras, right? We wind up with cameras, and we wind up with smart people that take pictures of the sun at different times of the day or different dates of the year, right? And then this is what we wind up with, the Analema. And look at how beautiful it is. Look at how wonderful it is. And this is just further proof and lets you know that we're not living on some big ball of a mistake. And we're not random. And we're not coming from monkeys in a bucket of pond scum or nothing like that. Anyway, YouTube family, I'm going to leave y'all with this. Y'all let me know what y'all think. I'm not trying to get too spiritual on y'all, but I wish y'all nothing but the best. Health, wealth, love, joy, prosperity, most of all, wisdom. And with that, I love you. I'm out. Peace. Analema.